What's up, hungry people? S'mores are synonymous with summertime. But if you don't have a campfire to toast your marshmallows, this insanely easy 4-ingredient s'mores dip will certainly satiate your appetite for the ooey gooey summer classic. Create a quick double boiler with a boiling pot of water and a heat-proof bowl. Pour in a single can of sweetened condensed milk, along with 3 Hershey's chocolate bars, and let the bars melt for a few minutes until they can be easily stirred into a molten chocolate mixture. Transfer the chocolate sauce to Ramekins for individual servings or into a large baking dish for a group dessert. Just be sure to fill whatever dish you use about halfway full. Arrange marshmallows on top of the chocolate, pressing each marshmallow about halfway down into the chocolate mixture. Broil the marshmallows on low for about 5 to 8 minutes or until the marshmallows are melted and perfectly golden brown and toasted on top. Serve up your s'mores dip with graham crackers and whatever else you can think of to dip in melted marshmallows and chocolate. This delicious dip is the ultimate indoor alternative to a time-honored summer tradition. What's your favorite summertime dessert? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're hungry and subscribe for a new recipe every week. If you want to read the full recipe, check out thestarvingchefblog.com for this recipe and many others. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon.